You're stuttering.
Stuttering.
You're stuttering. You're speaking tongues.
My phone is alarming.
Oh no! Tabi mo kasi.
Yun ba yun? Ay,
It's a road.
Andiyan pa si Jano. Naiwanan natin.
We are at Ligaw. Legazpi na ba to? Legazpi.
what's up?
Hey guys! What's up?
We're on our way to Cagsa Ruins.
Yeah. We're on the way.
We're going to Sumlang and we're gonna meet Carmel, the drummerist.
So today's video, we're going to study English with the English teacher.
English teacher.
Ate Jo.
Oh, we have an
see?
English teacher as well.
There's a
at the back.
student here.
At the back.
Student at
You
the
say
back.
hi. You say hi, Lance.
Say hi. Hi. Silent.
Hello.
English please, English. Ano yung English nun? What's the English that? What's the English that?
It's drizzling again.
It's drizzling. Okay. There's a liquid.
Bouncing in the...
There's small liquid in the air.
Yeah, it's bouncing on the window shield.
That's a saliva. Sa saliva.
And what's the English of nabubulol?
Stuttering.
You're stuttering.
Stuttering.
You're stuttering. You're speaking tongues.
Toyo, there oh. There's a big toyo oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's soy sauce.
And there's a mega.
There's oh my
Oh,
gosh.
there's a mega again.
People here are not hungry. Their food is so big.
We can even consume one.
Yes.
Anong lata? Tin.
Kahit.
My phone is alarming.
Oh no! Oh no!
Kanina ka pa tinuturo kay Lance yan.
Guys, look
Oh
at the
no!
volcano
There's
lens.
Tumayon. I can't see.
You can't see. I can't see it.
Nagising.
Nagising yung
Let's go down here. Stay here.
The volcano is here. It's present. Last year it's absent.
But it doesn't cloud.
Yeah,
It's half present.
Papaalis natin.
Pwede
Alright
palang
guys,
lumabas.
we're gonna go out and we're gonna take pictures.
We're gonna take pictures.
And then the volcano is our background. Come on over.
Ay, mom.
Dancing.
What happened to the...
Okay.
Oh!
What's the happen?
What's happening over here?
Nahahawa na sila. Nag-i-English na sila lahat. Pati si Kuya Alvin. Nag-i-English na sila lahat. This is English only place.
This is an EOP area.
Yes.
Okay, ano,
Oh no, there's someone speaking Tagalog.
Oh!
So hiding that. So hiding.
What is hiding there?
It's so hiding.
sabay-sabay tayo pupunta.
The hiding is there.
Woo. So we're done taking pictures. With picture together.
Yeah, and it was fun.
The Mayan volcano is joking today.
It's covered with clouds, so we can't see her. Diba?
How do you know it's her?
Because they said it's Magayon.
Yeah.
Magayon na Mayon. That's
Magayon
why.
na Mayon.
Oh, sabi nila Magayon na Mayon.
Ah, magandang mayon. Ano ba yun? Go, go! Shoo away!
mabusa ka na ng battery.
Shoo away, shoo!
Magpa-picture ka mag-isa doon. Ayaw in-interview ng correspondent? Yes.
Sino ba ang gumawa ng Mayon? Parang yan yung problema ko nung nakarang gabi. Sino ba nakaibenta ng pakwan? Pagka-vlog ko pala yun. Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna put it.
It's because it's boring.
Yeah, it's
I
boring.
am so dark there.
Sige, lagyan natin light.
I'm so dark. Oh my gosh. I
Diana.
look like Hershey's.
There's a light.
In the window.
In the window. Oh, guys, we're going to... Where are we going ba?
I don't know, we're lost.
So, let's find our lost sleep. Oh my God. May kasama po kaming tulogers. Lagi siyang tulog.
We don't have signal here.
Hindi niya na-enjoy yung view outside.
We're so kawawa.
And then after a while, pag nagising siya, sabi niya, may video kayo ng mga ano.
Ayun ang video. Gusto ko yung maandar. Ay, wag yan ng konti.
Reklamador.
Ano nga lang
Nangihingi na nga
hihingi?
lang eh.
Hindi ganun talaga pag biyahe. Sa biyahe, meron talagang tulogis.
Kung ano, ako di ko ma-enjoy pagka gano'n.
May isang tulogis, may isang madaldal.
Right.
Yung isa pang
May isa reklamador.
Ayun yung Sumlang Lake, girl, oh.
Where?
There.
Oh, let's go to Sumlang Lake first.
Ano
Before
sila, Pastor
going-
Henry?
Yeah, before going to Cagsawa.
Ah, sige, baba ka natin, Joy.
Okay, bye guys. See you later.
Ayun na, oh.
Let's go to
Sumlang
Sumlang Lake because they're eating another lunch there. Yeah, let's go. Hurry.
Kakain lang
May entrance yun, di ba?
Note.
Note?
Yeah,
Yeah.
note ka daw, go. Note ka daw, go.
Wait, Farah, you're making a mistake with my word.
Daya ako sabihin yung pa. Ano daw? Paano?
It's not me. Parang si Ayana. Margie, huwag ka na mag-English. Si James, yeah.
There.
Oh my God, there is a big truck. Lance?
I'll
Ayun,
buy
Sumlang
farmers.
Lake. Sumlang
I'll
Lake.
buy farmers.
What's Sumlang Lake?
Sumlang Lake.
Eco Park.
We're in
There
the
you
Sumlang
go.
Lake.
Yeah, we're going to... Ay, dito. Yan. Sumlang
Nabasa
Lake.
niyo ba yun? Hindi niya nabasa, di baliktad.
We're going to Sumlang Lake. Oh, may
Akala ko school to.
Sa mga teens.
Parang
There you
compound.
go. Yeah, it's an eco park. It's eco.
Saan?
There.
Dito?
No,
Oh,
that
dito?
kuya. Yeah. Going
Pasok
there.
dito?
Ayun o, merong araw there. Yes, so arte, yun o.
Why are we so Englishy?
Nahawa. Sumlang Lake.
Yeah,
Sumlang.
Lang.
Sumlang.
Gusto mo Sumlang ito?
There is by. Ay, may entrance na.
Kasi maganda kayong gate.
Ayun o, pinipinturahan pa ni Kuya.
Para may bayad, 100.
Joke lang. Ano lang kami?
Wait lang.
Go. Alis na kami. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mga amor, we're gonna drop you. Eco Park.
Ayan na. Ang manager to.
Yeah, you can do it
Ikaw magbayad, Ate Joy.
You can do it alone. You can do it alone.
You're big na.
Para sunod ni ating na pinadala. Parang sama ng loob mo.
Ano nga, wala akong ano eh. Ano?
Matabi lang kami, diretso banda doon.
Kuya, tatabi lang namin ito doon sa kabila. What's that, Lance? You're so tagal. Now I can see your eye.
Sabi na.
It's bayaran time.
Ano yan? Paano makikita?
Pagbaba.
your love.
You want that, Lance? You ask Ate Pearl.
Ang taray naman yung pa-heart. Welcome! Dito na sila! Hindi, wait lang.
Pag-sure ay? Banana at saka abaka.
Pinangaralan na naman tayo ng ating ano,
Ang ganda dito. Ang daming mga... Ano tawag sa ganyan?
fruits.
Artifacts.
We will proceed to our transient house and we will show you guys.
Our transient.
May daan ba dyan?
Akit daw.
Lilipad ba yan?
Wait a minute! Pwede pumunta doon? Pwede pumunta, di ba? Oh my God, baka dali tayo sa gitna!
Maaga talaga yung maligo niyan. We're okay. For 100 pesos.
Yeah, we're just here for the 100 pesos. Picture taking and so on.
Ooh. Okay, dito na kami. Nakarating na kami, guys. Sa aming transient.
Yeah, we're preparing now.
We're going to prepare na para sa Jen kung may
Ito,
hot.
liliit ang for kasi may ano siya, may belt. Okay.
Hi, guys!
Hi guys, we just got out from
Tapos na yung content ko. Hindi na namin kayo
the
nabalikan.
fourth day ba? Fourth day today.
Fourth day.
Fourth day General Conference service. And it was really tremendous.
Wow!
Together with our pastor and Kiki.
Doon ba pa, sir? Sobrang daming nangyari. Nalimutan na namin
Kiki
mag-vlog.
pastor's wife. Joy. Grabe siya. Kasi madilim.
Okay, so we're going to eat out.
Yeah. And I hope na
We're going to eat kwek-kwek.
because there's nothing food anymore. So we are going to eat like, you know, fish balls.
Fishball, kikiam.
Yeah.
Kikiam and egg waffle.
What's it? Egg waffle.
Kwek-kwek! Tokining!
Alright guys, see you
See
again
you.
later.
See you there. Bye-bye.